grain of rice, a drop of water, a seed, a ray of sunshine. Maybe you don't care. But for others, that is hope. My name is Robert. I'm from Kenya. I came to Beijing in 2012 to study agricultural economics. Now I'm a Swahili film and voice actor.
Huko mwanamke mweupe anataka nimwambie mwisho, kama sitaongeza kuzaliwa upya utapoteza uzima. Naomba niamini, kama sitamwongeza kuzaliwa upya atapotea uzima.
Because culture needs to be nurtured, let Chinese culture be spread to Africa and become like spiritual food. This is a very meaningful thing. And this career is very interesting, and it is also a new challenge for me.
Pinwheel attack! Oh yeah! You guys are the best! And you, Bunny? If you even want me to think about your death with honor...
In order to adapt to life in China, I made some preparations before coming. I have seen many movies about China. There are no high-rise buildings, and there are people who are able to fly. But finally, when I was able to come here, I found that it was totally different from what I had imagined before. China's public facilities are very complete, very modern. People pay attention to rules and regulations on every occasion. The transportation is convenient and the technology is well developed. I feel incredible. How does a country change so much in such a short time? Why is my hometown not developing at the same speed? This makes me very curious about everything in China. And I'm even more determined that I want to stay here to work and study. Working in China is very stressful. The Chinese pay attention to efficiency and work very, very fast. At first, I really couldn't adapt. My colleague told me that China used to be very backward, but the Chinese people think that diligence can make up for it. As long as they work harder than others and spend more time and effort, they will surely catch up with the progress of others.
Yes, it's pretty good actually.
The Chinese are working very hard, which is why China is now strong. In fact, the Chinese have helped the world very much. Yuan Longping is one of the most admired Chinese people. The hybrid rice he developed has increased the output of food and made many people in my hometown get rid of hunger. And the world refugees see a hope for survival. And I also hope that, like him, through his own meager strength, he will transport more spiritual food to the various countries in Africa, sow the seeds of hope. Let the people here understand the world and understand China.
路漫漫其修远行，吾将向下而求索。
Now I'm like a rice that is being cultivated. I continue to learn more knowledge and ability in China, and one day I will gain unlimited strength.